Hi everyone, it's Mike Jimenez, a project manager for the Golden View team. Today I have this wonderful project in the area of San Jose where we converted a powder room into a full-on guest bathroom. So come on in and let's hear from our wonderful clients.
We have a powder room downstairs and there was space to add a shower there. We wanted to just complete it and make it a full bathroom with a shower. Eleanor worked with me on the materials and the fixtures and also color coordinating, picking the right tile, the right design. And she sent me a 3D model that helped quite a bit to visualize. They created a WhatsApp group and communicated with an update every morning. Mike, the project manager, did all of the communication and he was very efficient. First announcing in the morning what was going to be happening on that day and who to expect. Walked through all the things that we said were remaining, for both so that all of us were on the same page. We were pushing for a very tight timeline and they came through. Bathroom looks really great, amazing actually. It came out bigger than I thought it would look, better than I expected. I was originally planning a bigger project, but we agreed to do a smaller one first, just to see the process and all that. So the process from start to finish was good, very good.
Thank you for taking the time out of your day to listen to the wonderful testimony of my clients. If you're interested on what a conversion will look like for you, please connect with the Golden View team. I am Mike Jimenez and I look forward to working on your project. Thanks.